So once you're settled into your seat, closing the eyes, we're going to use our sense perception of hearing to consciously take in sound and allow the sound to be medicine. So this is what we offer to you. In closing eyes, you can just for a moment place tongue on the roof of the mouth. This is your own internal reboot button. Reset button, tuning into your own internal rhythm. We can tune into our intentions for the evening, for the retreat, and also, again, establishing motivation. For example, offering all of the merit, all of the benefit from these practices to the benefit of all sentient beings. Recognizing that when one of us heals or expands, we help the everything to expand. So, we're going to start with the Ali vowels that we practiced this afternoon. And we'll do it in the same format that we did this afternoon. We can start with some call and response and go from there. And again, we're using this as an opportunity to purify the throat chakra, to prepare us to chant more mantras. Purify our throat chakra, purify our speech. Start with a little rhythm here. Shy. I'm going to point at you next time. Le, le, I. Oh, ow, Bring it on. Nice. Le, le, lotus at the throat chakra. The color red itself having the quality to purify our speech. So we'll do the whole thing in one breath, to the best of our ability. Maybe we'll split it into two. Let's see how we do. Just the explanation of the next mantra, so purification mantra.